Where's all your money gone, Donnie?
Taxes.
6, 9, 10, 11. Let me fix my houses.
Bug, it's okay. It's part of the game.
No, it's not.
It
It's not
is.
fun.
It's not fun to what?
It's the worst part of the game.
Is what?
Taxes.
Wow. So how many of you can relate to Lil John John? Okay, Lil John John said, look, taxes is the worst part of the game. You know, I think all of our children should experience that information. But before I go any further, I want to first of all go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Mark Pyers, home-based business tax coach and wealth coach. I'm also the CEO and founder, along with my beautiful wife and business partner, Mrs. Lavita Pyers, of an incredible life-changing tax educational platform called the Academy of Financial Education. I launched this information almost 28 years ago, and it all was birthed out of an IRS audit. You guys will learn more about my story when you decide to invest in your knowledge. I also make this quote from the Bible, and I always say, look, it may not have been pertaining to finances, but it is a great illustration to explain to you what you need to know. And that is, the Bible says that my people are destroyed from the lack of knowledge. Guys, I've learned over the last 30 years that those that lack the knowledge of the tax code, how you're taxed, why you're taxed, what you're taxed on, how to actually be able to legally, ethically, and morally drastically reduce the amount of money being extracted from your income, from your W-2 wage earning job, from your 1099 income. Guys, I'm telling you, what you do not know is financially robbing you of generational wealth. Have you ever heard the rich keeps getting richer and the poor keeps getting poorer? Have you noticed that every rich individual, every wealthy individual operates on the side of the tax code that allows them to save hundreds of thousands and millions of dollars in taxes, and they're not in jail with Wesley Snipes? And so I want to ease your pain, guys. I want to help you get informed. And so it is my pleasure to invite you to invest in yourself. I'm telling you right now, taxes will be a part of your life for your entire life. And for many of you, the truth is that taxes are one of your biggest monthly expenses. See, a lot of people think about the taxes that come out of their paycheck, and that is an enormous amount of money. But what about sales taxes? What about excise taxes? What about utility taxes? What about gas taxes? Guys, I'm telling you, what you do not know is financially robbing you of generational wealth. And so my wife and I, we teach this information directly from the IRS. We teach it from the IRS so you can feel comfortable that you're getting the right information directly from the entity that I know that you're in fear of. Guys, when I got that audit letter in 1992, I was so afraid to open the envelope, and I didn't even know why. I can't wait to share the story with you guys, because I know that I've been so blessed to be able to help thousands of people over the course of the last 28, 29 years free themselves from what I call the plantation of taxation. And I call it that because many people are financially controlled by the amount of money they lose in taxes that they otherwise would not lose if they had only gotten this information. And so on behalf of myself as well as my wife, we want to welcome you. We want to say congratulations for making the decision to invest in yourself. We believe this, that for every dollar that you invest in yourself in this information, it will return to you 100-fold. Guys, I can't make you any promises, but I can promise you this. If you go through this course and you apply this information, your income will increase because your taxation will decrease. Did you hear what I said? If you invest in your knowledge and you apply this information, your income will increase because your taxation will decrease. I can't wait for you guys to get on the other side. You know, in the United States of America, we have one tax system, but there's two sides. And I know what many of you are thinking. Yeah, one for the rich and one for the poor. And the truth is, there's one for the uninformed and there's one for the informed. And you are about to cross the line to the informed side. And so with that being said, guys, again, I want to encourage you to not join the nation of procrastination. Don't let the cost of this education rob you of the next 10, 15, 20, 30, 40 years, and then generations to come of your hard-earned income when that money can remain in your possession where you can now put that money to work for you. Man, I'm excited. Again, my name is Mark Pyers, home-based business tax coach and wealth coach. On behalf of myself, as well as my beautiful wife and business partner, Mrs. Levita Pyers, we want to thank you for investing in us. We want to thank you for investing in yourself. And we can't wait to get started. And so, guys, go ahead and click on the link. Lock in your position. Buckle up your seatbelt because your life will never be the same.